Are you thinking about jumping into dropshipping in 2025? Think again. If you don't have the right strategies, you're doomed to fail. That's right. Without these crucial secrets, your dropshipping journey could be over before it even begins. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the game-changing tactics you need to avoid failure and actually succeed this year. Don't let 2025 be the year you fall behind. Let's dive in. Hey, digital entrepreneurs! Welcome back to Boostmeister, the place where we break down the most current trends in digital marketing and dropshipping. If you've been thinking about starting a dropshipping business in 2025, you're in the right place. But before you get too excited, you need to hear this. Dropshipping has changed, and the old methods just won't cut it anymore. So what do you need to know to avoid failure and actually thrive in this industry? The first mistake many beginners make in dropshipping is choosing the wrong niche. Everyone is flocking to the same products, gadgets, fashion, and accessories. These niches are overcrowded, and the competition is fierce. You're not going to stand out by selling the same items everyone else is. Instead, focus on finding a unique niche with low competition but high demand. You need something that sets you apart from the crowd. You need to get specific. Next, let's talk about customer experience. Dropshipping used to be all about finding cheap products and marking up the price. But in 2025, it's all about customer experience. If you aren't offering fast shipping, easy returns, and top-notch customer service, your customers will go elsewhere. Period. You can't just sell a product anymore. You have to build a brand that people trust and love. Without that, your dropshipping business will crash and burn.
Let's face it, everyone shops from their phones. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're already behind. In 2025, mobile optimization is a must. Slow loading times, poor navigation, or images that don't fit the screen can drive away potential buyers. Your website needs to look professional and function seamlessly on every device. It's the first impression that counts. And if you aren't mobile-friendly, you're losing sales.
Another key factor in dropshipping success in 2025 is social proof. People trust the opinions of others before they make a purchase. If you don't have testimonials, reviews, or user-generated content, you're missing out. Social proof can make or break a sale. It builds trust and credibility. The best way to get social proof? Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews, share their purchases on social media, and create case studies that showcase your product in action.
In 2025, marketing automation is no longer optional. It's essential. If you're still doing everything manually, you're wasting time. From email marketing to retargeting ads, automation helps you stay connected with your customers and drive repeat sales. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensures you don't miss any opportunity to convert a lead into a customer.
So, are you ready to succeed in dropshipping in 2025? Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be ahead of the game. Dropshipping can still be incredibly profitable, but only if you have the right strategies in place. Focus on the right niche, optimize for customer experience, master mobile optimization, use social proof, and automate your marketing.
If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies to crush it in dropshipping and digital marketing in 2025. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions, and let's get the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.